Good morning. Let's see, it's Tuesday, June 25th. I have to look because I lose track of days and everything out here. 52 degrees, sunny, partly cloudy, and we're going to a campground. I was invited to go camping, so that's where we're headed. See you there. Narrow road leading up to the campground. Hey Bailey, oh, we're just checking out the site. There's shared sites 46, 47, 48. That's 48. This is 47. It's beautiful out here. Not way more than I imagined. Kind of like this one because of the view. (47). 48's got a really nice parking spot right there. You could put 2 or 3 vehicles here easy. If it was me, that one's flatter. I'd probably take that one. I like them both. Nice out here. It's beautiful. It's warm. Overly cloudy, but it's very sunny. It's quiet. Very peaceful. Even the water is peaceful. I know I've showed this before, but it's pretty nice. I'd definitely come camping here again. You have no problem going in the water. You're not sure you step on a loose rock? That's a rock, bud. You get to go on a lake once in a while back home, but not too often. He's afraid of a rock. He even put his nose in the water. Okay. Hey, you're gonna like this spot, aren't you? Huh? Lauren's here. I guess we're taking this side. Or this site. Hey, Jeffie Bear's here too. Always have cameras. This is Mike, friend,
Michael, yeah.
or Michael, friend of Lauren's.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is Loles. Hi guys.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, we're getting ready to
To go to bed.
well, no, I've gotten him all ready,
Oh, yeah.
and the van somewhat ready, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I don't know if we're gonna have a fire or not. So
I'll see if it's no. I will light a fire just for the hell of it.
here he is, Mr. Zippy. Oh, your fire starters.
Yeah, I made this stuff.
Is that cotton with wax or?
Wax, food grade wax, and a pad you get the women get to take off their makeup
Yeah.
at the dollar store or whatever you guys call it down there.
There's this other. There's some stuff you can get too with
There's
a with
four
a
of them.
gel.
You don't
That's
need to use all four, but take a couple with you.
there's some stuff I've seen people make with a gel, but I would think that would be icky. You know.
These are cool. They work. A girl showed me how to do them. She said, they work, Jeff. I said, okay. And the last time, that's why I was surprised he remembered. Because the last time yeah. Here.
Ooh.
Sorry, Lauren.
Let's see.
There you go. I'm glad I can contribute.
Of course.
Yeah, I think we had a lot of paper last time, Lauren. That's why it went up so good. I'm hoping it'll have the same result this time.
We'll see.
See, this is the lazy man's video.
It's not bad, eh, for a little pad.
Let's see.
All right, we'll get up.
Oh, shit, something on.
I learned it's better to get it right the first time, otherwise you have to spend all this time to correct it.
Yeah.
That's amazing, really.
Would be somewhat dry too, huh?
Well, the wood is dry. It just like.
Well, it makes it start faster.
You know what really works good? If you get yourself one of them blowers.
I got one.
I used to have it. I used to sit there and put it in a hole, and every time it go down, I hit the button.
I got one of those chrome blowers.
Excuse, but it was just like, it's, and now even if that thing goes now, mine, it's fuck. I gotta take out my bed. I gotta go down through here, and it's in the back there. It's in the back, like it's in underneath. I don't know how I'm gonna work on it. Like I don't know how I would work on it.
Yeah, that's the one thing that I always like when I install them.
Yeah.
To put them to an easy access, very easy access.
Yeah. Well.
When mine goes, I have to go back to the guy to fix it, unless he can walk me through it.
It all depends who's putting it in. Because for a young guy is flexible, that is easy access.
Yeah.
But to me, it's like, holy fuck, I'll snap an elbow trying to get in there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. But I know it works. But I do know when I gotta get a vacuum. That's what I gotta get. I gotta get a 12-volt vacuum or something, a handheld, so I can suck up all the dust and clean up underneath my seat. When I eat my nuts and stuff, I sometimes fall because I don't step on them.
So we have to bring a squirrel.
Huh?
We have to bring a squirrel, and maybe she can pick up the nuts. You know, go clean up there, you little.
They would eat well for about a week with the amount of nuts I dropped.
Yeah.
And I went to not like just
I'm looking at the ones
handheld.
the power tools have them. I've been trying to find one.
Yeah. You just need something not too cheap, not too expensive. 12 volt will do.
I just don't want to spend $500 for a vacuum. I mean, such a small space is hardly worth
That
it.
is still cheap.
I don't need, what's them,
I know, they go
ones there,
$600.
Yeah, yeah.
one that Chrome and Emmy has. I don't need one of those.
Holy shit.
That's 300 and some odd bucks.
Oh,
It's for dog hair.
but you know, they have pets, right? So
No, I know. I
that
mean, that's what,
saves the day for them.
yeah.
You know, so they don't have to
I
be
had a
there,
nice
you
Dyson
know.
one at home. It worked great for dog hair, but in the van, I don't find anything good. That's,
Well, they go,
that's compact.
What do they call them things?
The Dyson?
Huh?
Dyson, yeah, yeah.
It's very expensive.
Dyson.
Dyson. That's right.
Yeah.
They got one for pet hair. Dyson.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, I bought that one, and my wife had a fit.
Chrome's so fancy, he even
But-
got a private drawer for his Dyson.
Yeah.
I said, holy shit.
Yeah.
But anyway, she didn't like the fact that I bought the vacuum cleaner, so I had vacuum duty from that point on. I didn't care. It cleaned up the hair.
Yeah. I think this is it, Jeff.
Huh?
I think this is it.
Yeah.
What do you mean
Because
by?
the flames are good.
Oh.
Should we?
Hold on here. Yeah, I'll do this.
Oh, for his shot?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, fuck, that's hot.
I know. Do you have a Face ID, buddy? Come on.
Face ID, oh my Jesus.
I got that too.
Ah, you son of a...
I know.
Fuck, that hurt.
Oh, blowing towards you, no
You
wonder.
ready?
I am. Hold on. Oh.
I know you don't look with your hands up. Eh?
Come here. Come here. It's okay.
Hurry up, Lord, you're burning my legs.
Okay. Listen to Jeff, you guys. He's very, you know, funky. He's like, come on, Lauren, hurry up because you're burning my legs. Shit, I just burned your legs off.
What the hell are you barking at? You're not barking at
That's
me.
somebody walking up there.
Hey.
Oh, a dog too. That's even worse.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Check it out.
There you go.
Check it out. Make sure
I will.
I also took pictures too, right?
Yeah, you got to
Not
make a
just video, I
thumbnail.
took pictures too.
That is cool. That is cool.
Well, now you have a thumbnail.
Here, we get back to the beginning there. Where are you here? Yeah, see, that is cool.
Yeah.
I'll get back into the camera, Jeffie. That is cool. Thank you, Lauren.
Yeah.
Holy shit. I took a whole bunch of pictures out. It's still 31 minutes.
I don't know how well this.
Anyway, it looks like Jeff is busy there. He's working. I gotta go back and try to do some editing, you guys. The fire is all nice. Look at the lake. Look at how peaceful. That is just amazing. It's like just like mirror, you know. And yeah, this is a cat. They came over and visit us. So I'm gonna go back edit, and I think you know.
This is the inside of Jeffie Bear's van with the lights on at night. Pretty nice bit, pretty nice outfit. Oh, almost tripped on there. Pretty nice fan, I can say that much. Good morning. Let's see. Check my watch here, or my phone. It's Wednesday, June 26th, 8:49. Temperature doesn't show. Hang on. Okay, temperature this morning 59 degrees, high of 61. Rains in the forecast basically all day, at least from 11 on. It's raining a little bit right now, and it's a pretty nice morning, even though it's rainy. Here, I don't know if anybody else is up. Loles' door's open. He might have had it open all night. But yeah, it's a beautiful view. Nice to wake up to. I need to go take care of some business. I got to take Bailey for a little walk just to get him to go potty. And we'll be back in a little bit. This way. Just getting back from our walk. It's supposed to rain today, but boy, it's beautiful right now. Hey, let's take a look at this. Well, there's our campsite. Here's our lake view. What an awesome view. It's beautiful. Sunny, though it's cloudy. It's supposed to rain later. Hopefully it doesn't. Beautiful morning. Wish you could be here. Okay, here's one for Bailey. Got a ball. You ready? He's got to be on leash, so I leave the leash on. He'll go in the water too, but I don't want him to get all wet.
Yeah.
And there's Loli.
Oh, he's biting it. He's biting it. Okay, I'm tired.
He very rarely ruins the ball. A lot of dogs will just bust them in half all the time. I couldn't keep him out of it. When I turned my back, he went in the water. He's a water dog, you know. He just doesn't get a lot of it.
Yeah, let you play. I mean, like,
Yeah, I'm going to.
worst case scenario, you just have to dry him out. If he wants to play it,
Yeah.
might as well.
There's not many areas I can let him loose like this. He's going to even lay down. Don't lose it, because I'm not going to get it. I'll buy a new one.
Like, don't worry, Dad. I'm not gonna lose it.
I got a couple more anyway. You having fun, huh? Oh, now you're going to get all dirty. Thank you. You're going to have to go in there and wash off when you're done.
Take my jacket a minute.
You're cold?
Yeah.
I was warm. I took mine off. Can you go wash off now, huh? Can you go wash off and not roll in the dirt? He loves balls. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Good boy. No, get over here. Come on. Bailey. Bailey. Oh, it's gotta take a leak.
Yeah.
Bailey, get over here. Come on. Come on, Bailey. You're going too far. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. No, that's not it. Right there, right there. Okay, good boy. Oh, we're packing out. We're heading out. Anything? Yeah, I could have given you a little more room.
Get ready to roll.
Good idea. Maybe I'll do that.
None of us knew anything when we first started.
Well, it's a beautiful sight. Glad I got to spend some time here. One last view. All right, we're taking off.